Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerancing (GD&T). We provide comprehensive training programs designed to enhance your proficiency in GD&T. Our courses offer a range of options, including certificate, diploma, master diploma, and PG diploma, tailored to meet the specific needs of individuals seeking expertise in GD&T. Our programs cover all facets of GD&T, empowering you with the skills necessary for precise engineering design, manufacturing, and inspection. Here are some key features you'll explore in our courses. Fundamentals of GD&T principles and symbols. Application of GD&T in 2D and 3D engineering design. Annotations, detailing, and adherence to GD&T standards. Collaboration, referencing, and project management in GD&T. Presentation and visualization techniques for engineering design. Enroll in the GD&T course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this essential tool for engineering design and manufacturing. For more information and to enroll in our courses, please visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.